Daryl Connors, private, first class, reporting for duty, sir.
Soldier, where on God's green earth have you been?
Sir, what do you mean, sir?
Got the formalities, Private. I mean, the troop transport shuttle was scheduled to arrive here over an hour ago.
Well, sir, sorry. Wait, do you have a name, sir? Sorry again.
Get to the point, Cupcake.
Yeah, as I was saying, the shuttle broke down just as we were leaving command.
Are you telling me that a $5 billion space shuttle that can travel faster than any other planes broke down?
Yes, sir?
Am I supposed to believe this?
You can if you want.
Well, I choose not to. Now, as your punishment for being late, I want you to give me 3 laps around the base.
The shuttle actually broke down. It wasn't my fault I'm late.
What is this? Dereliction?
Dereliction?
Dereliction? Insubordination? Treason? Take your pick.
You know what, sir? I'm just gonna go do those laps now.
Haha! That's what I thought.